Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of woodworking without fear ideas to master safety trends and transform raw wood into meaningful creations. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Woodworking, at its very core, is the art of transformation, the patient, deliberate act of taking raw material and shaping it into something both useful and deeply meaningful. But it is also a craft that requires balance, awareness, and above all, respect for safety, which is why the concept of woodworking safety trends has become not only a technical requirement, but also a cultural movement within the craft. In the modern world, woodworkers, whether beginners testing the waters or seasoned makers pushing their designs into bold new territory, are learning that mastering techniques without fear is possible only when safety is no longer viewed as a limitation, but rather as the gateway to freedom, creativity, and confidence at the workbench. This shift reflects more than a set of rules. It represents an evolution in the woodworking landscape, where makers recognize that protection and innovation walk hand in hand. At one time, safety was discussed mainly in dry manuals and overlooked until an accident forced attention, but today, safety is at the forefront of conversations about woodworking practice, shaping not only how individuals build, but also how they think, feel, and connect with the material in front of them. By leaning into these safety trends, woodworkers are transforming what might seem intimidating, the whirring of saw blades, the pressure of chisels, the bite of sanders, into an empowering and enriching journey where each cut, carve, and joint carries less risk and more opportunity for growth. The significance of safety in woodworking lies not just in preventing injuries, but in cultivating an environment where fear does not overshadow creativity. When woodworkers adopt new trends, ranging from ergonomic tool designs and dust extraction systems to protective gear that allows comfort and mobility, they are not only protecting their bodies, but also giving themselves permission to focus fully on the artistry of their projects. Safety is no longer about pausing creativity, but about clearing the space for it to flourish, as a woodworker can only achieve mastery when they are free from the constant worry of accidents. The modern emphasis on safety has, in fact, expanded beyond physical protection to include mental peace, emotional assurance, and a sense of pride in practicing the craft responsibly. The current era also demonstrates how woodworking safety trends are interwoven with technology and sustainability. Advancements in safer power tools, smart sensors that automatically halt machinery in case of accidents, and eco-friendly finishes that reduce toxic exposure show how safety aligns with responsibility toward both the maker and the environment. By adopting these practices, woodworkers are building a bridge between tradition and progress, carrying forward the timeless respect for craft while adapting to modern challenges. Safety, in this light, becomes an ethical practice, one that acknowledges not only the personal well-being of the maker, but also the shared responsibility to create without harming the planet or those around us. The rise of community workshops and makerspaces has further reinforced this cultural shift, as shared spaces naturally prioritize safety education and collective accountability, creating a spirit of camaraderie that strengthens both skills and values. Within these spaces, the fear that once isolated beginners is replaced with encouragement and mentorship, where the focus is not on what could go wrong, but on how much more is possible when precautions are taken. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. What is particularly inspiring is how safety itself is being reframed as a creative tool rather than a limitation. Take, for instance, the growing trend of slow woodworking, where makers emphasize measured, mindful processes instead of rushing toward an end result. This approach not only reduces mistakes and accidents, but also nurtures a deeper connection with the material, inviting woodworkers to notice the grain, the knots, and the character of wood in a way that hurried work often obscures. Similarly, innovations in jigs, clamps, and guiding systems allow even complex cuts to be achieved with remarkable precision and reduced risk, transforming what might once have been intimidating tasks into approachable, almost meditative steps in the journey of creation. The more these tools and methods evolve, the more they empower makers to pursue ambitious projects without hesitation, bridging the gap between imagination and execution. Emotionally, woodworking safety trends carry profound significance, as they invite makers to engage in their craft without the underlying anxiety that can drain joy and stunt growth. For many, woodworking is not only a hobby or profession, but also a form of therapy, a way to disconnect from the noise of the modern world and reconnect with something tangible, honest, and grounding. Yet this therapeutic value can only truly be unlocked when safety is ensured, for the peace of mind that comes with it is what allows a maker to enter a state of flow where creativity blossoms. This harmony between mind, body, and material illustrates why safety must be seen not as a barrier, but as a foundation, a necessary ingredient in the recipe for artistic fulfillment. The more woodworkers embrace safety as part of their creative identity, the more they embody the essence of woodworking as a discipline that honors patience, mindfulness, and resilience. From an economic standpoint, safety also supports sustainability and profitability, as fewer accidents mean more consistent output, lower costs from damaged tools or wasted materials, and greater confidence in producing quality work. A safe workshop is also a more professional one, and in a market where customers value both craftsmanship and integrity, being able to demonstrate responsible practices enhances a woodworker's reputation and trustworthiness. Buyers are increasingly drawn to makers who balance artistry with accountability, seeing their products not only as objects of beauty, but also as symbols of thoughtful creation. In this way, safety contributes directly to the marketability of woodworking, proving that the value of a craft extends far beyond aesthetics into the realm of ethos and practice. Ultimately, the significance of woodworking safety trends today is that they allow woodworkers to master techniques without fear, creating a culture where transformation of raw wood into art, of fear into confidence, of tradition into innovation, is celebrated in its fullest sense. Each project becomes more than just a build. It becomes a testament to the harmonious blending of care and creativity, where the maker can look at their work not only with pride in its beauty, but also with assurance in the process that shaped it. Safety is not an afterthought, but the heartbeat of woodworking, the quiet rhythm that allows imagination to take bold, fearless steps toward realization. And in this way, safety itself becomes one of the most powerful tools in the woodworker's hands, shaping not only the wood but also the experience, meaning, and future of the craft. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodworking without fear ideas to master safety trends and transform raw wood into meaningful creations. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.